Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox Xbox lag. First, let's ensure your internet connection is up to par. A stable connection is crucial for smooth gameplay. Consider connecting your Xbox directly to your router using an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi. This can significantly reduce latency and improve overall performance. Also, make sure no other applications are consuming bandwidth or processing power on your console. These simple steps can make a big difference. Next, let's dive into optimizing your in-game experience. Within Roblox, navigate to the settings and reduce the graphics quality. Lowering these settings can drastically decrease the strain on your Xbox's processor and graphics card. Additionally, disable any non-essential visual effects that might be enabled. Don't forget to regularly clear your Xbox's cache. This simple maintenance task can free up valuable resources and help Roblox run more smoothly, giving you a better gaming session. Now, let's address potential network issues. A quick restart of your router and modem can often resolve many connectivity problems by refreshing your network's connection. Also, be mindful of other devices on your network that might be consuming significant bandwidth, such as streaming services or large downloads. If you're still experiencing lag, try adjusting your Xbox's DNS settings to a public DNS server like Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS. This can sometimes improve connection speeds and stability. Finally, let's look at some advanced tips and ongoing maintenance. Always ensure your Xbox system software is completely up to date, as updates often include performance enhancements. If all else fails, a fresh reinstallation of Roblox can sometimes resolve persistent lag issues by clearing corrupted files. Lastly, keep an eye on your Xbox's storage. A console with nearly full storage can experience performance degradation, so aim to keep at least 15 to 20% of your storage free for optimal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.